Hello students, today we're going to talk about navigating to your Office 365 account so that if you are ready to publish a writing sample, you can get to Microsoft Word. So the first thing you know that you can go to Stadium Drive Elementary School and log into your Office 365 account here. Everyone has their Office 365 account login information. Remember, it's on that label that's either in a folder, or if you brought your computer in for service to get Zoom working, we put a label right on your computer next to your mouse pad. So once you type in your username, you're going to click Next. Then it's going to take you to your sign-in page here. And same thing, you already have your password. You click sign in. At this point, it's going to ask you if you want to stay signed in. I would hit yes, because then it's going to save your username and password and you won't have to enter it again. Now, once you enter in, the home screen has changed a little bit. So it should load to Office 365 here. If you're not in the Office 365 account, you can always click on our waffle and click Office 365, and it will take you to your home screen here. There are a couple different ways that you can start a Word file. If you already have something started, you can go to your OneDrive account and open it up. Since we're going into Word to start a new one, I'm just going to click on Word here. I'm going to click a blank document. I can click Close here. And now I am ready to go. You can start typing here. If you do that, I always suggest that you type all of your words first before playing with any of the fonts and any of the sizes. Don't forget last year that we also learned about this dictate tool over here. So if you press the dictate tool, it's going to ask to use your microphone. You click allow. Now, when I start talking, anything that
If you
I
get this
say
pop-up,
will be
please
put
click
into
yes.
this document, period. Okay. Once upon a time, there was a student that had to type in every single word, period. Now, students can simply talk and the computer will type it for you. You can just click on that dictate again and then it will turn it off. But if you're getting ready for publishing, I think this will be a huge help to you. Of course, when we start our document, we always want to go up to here where it says document and give it a name. Once it has a name, it's going to save it right here, so I can click off, and now it's called my publishing. If I go back to Office 365, you will see that it keeps a recent file here so that when I log in, I can just click here and it will load everything that I did. It's also in my OneDrive account here, which is my cloud storage, that if I go to my cloud storage, right here is my publishing document that I can also open up. Have a great time typing.